How's it going, everyone? What a nice way to start the week. We had 3 winning trades today. One of them was from my weekly watch list that I posted on here. A couple others from my weekly watch list triggered and did really well. I just happened to be in other trades when they happened. But before we get started, as always, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, let's talk about INTC. This was from the weekly watch list. This was a gap fill trade. I treated it as a day trade. My last sell was at 50+% on the 37 call options with this week's expiration. I know some people had a little early entry, and I had someone message me on Instagram and say they made 100% off this trade. I'm not for sure what they was trading. But anyways, let's talk about this for a minute. If you watch my weekly watch list, you know I was watching this gap fill. The entry for this at 36.62. Okay, I didn't take the initial entry, which would have been right here, which looked okay. One thing that would kind of make me a little hesitant is being so overbought at the moment. But anyways, someone inside Team Bull Discord, they said, they mentioned it to me, said, look at INTC, it's into that gap. So I looked, I seen this pullback, volume decreasing, the selling volume. We're approaching this level right here near VWAP, close to this 9 EMA. We took our position right here, caught the bottom of that pullback. We made over 50% on this trade from here to here. If we'd have held, it went nearly 100% from the entry here. Very nice trade overall, small account friendly. My entry price was $50 per call option. If you're not familiar with options and you want to learn how, I have a complete video on here. Super simple to learn. Don't rush the process. Just try to enjoy learning this stuff. That's the only way you're going to stay with it. Find joy in learning. Took a trade on Amazon today. This was a simple break out of a flag pattern. Let's look at the hourly time. You can look at the 4 hour or hourly. It's on both. You can see this bull flag on the hourly time frame here on Amazon. It was a simple bull flag breakout we took. Now let's look at the 5 minute, get a little closer look. I took the initial break here. I got in around 135.5 for call options. Called this out on voice inside Team Bull. A lot of members did well on this. And we just took this move here. I held runners quite a while. And what I was looking for to get out of this trade, I was going to wait until we broke below this 9 EMA, which we never did. I ended up selling on this candle, which was a very nice return. At this point, I only had runners left. I had 5 contracts remaining. I sold somewhere in this area. Very nice trade overall. Very happy with my execution. Yeah, I could have held a little longer, but where else can we get that type of return? Within an hour or two of market open. I took a small trade on SPY off the open. This was my first trade of the day. Let's see, let's find the first 5 minute candle. So this was opening 5 minute candle. We had this push back up. I took some puts right here in this area. Sort of had a little bear flag forming. Not a big one, but a small one on the 5 minute time frame. Not as significant of a level, but we did break below that 409.5, which was support. So we pulled back, we retested there. I took some puts. And a nice move down. The contract moved nice. I didn't have a huge position in this. I simply stopped out at what I paid for my runners. So it was a winning trade. Could have been a better trade, yes. I always say taking trades off the opening 5 minute candle is higher risk. So if you want to be a little more patient, maybe wait till 10 minutes in. It never hurts. But that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching.